Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Canva Brand Kit. A brand kit is an essential tool for maintaining brand consistency across all your designs. It centralizes your brand assets, including logos, colors, and fonts, making them readily available for any project. This not only saves you valuable time, but also ensures every design reflects a professional and cohesive brand identity. Let's dive into the steps to get. Next, let's add your brand logos and define your color palettes. You can upload up to 100 different logo variations, ensuring you have the right one for every application. For colors, you can specify your primary, secondary, and accent shades. Input exact hex codes for perfect color matching, or use the convenient color picker to select your desired hues. This step is crucial for visual consistency. Rhythm and tempo are vital for a cohesive performance. Strive to maintain a consistent beat from beginning to end. Start by practicing with a metronome at a very slow tempo, perhaps 60 beats per minute, to ensure accuracy in every note. Once you feel comfortable and confident at that speed, gradually increase the tempo by 5 or 10 beats per minute. This systematic approach builds solid rhythmic foundation. Finally, leverage your brand kit for consistent guidelines and templates. You can create custom brand templates for various design types, ensuring every new project starts with your brand's foundation. Sharing your brand kit with team members fosters collaborative design, where everyone has access to the correct assets. This ensures all designs consistently adhere to your established brand guidelines, maintaining a strong and unified presence.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.